At the top right, you'll see My Account. Inside of there, you'll see Control Panel. And then in here, before we can go live and have our store ready, you want to add a logo by clicking here and adding a logo, or dragging and dropping it in there, adding a banner, confirming your name, your email, your business website, your address, and then you can select the modules that you want to provide your services in. Do you have items to deliver? Do you have stuff for pickup, rentals, services? Select all that you need. You can enter a description or a short description, hit submit.
Just remember, one major thing is that just ensure that your user has a green dot. That's so that your store receives notifications when someone buys a product from you. You can also add additional users by adding in their user email, and then they would populate and you can add them in to manage your store with you, but only one user receives the notifications.
So add your social media inside of here by clicking Manage Social Media URLs. And you can add all of them one by one and hit submit. And after this point, you can begin to add your products, your hours. You can either have 24-hour service where you can always collect orders, or what you can also do is add in your specific hours for your business. That can only be done after you hit go live. So now you want to add as many products as possible.
And just as a reminder, when you're adding in products, they must go under the categories that you have selected turned on, and then they would correlate with categories down below here that you can select and put on to your store. Anything inside a vendor can be picked up or delivered. Anything in on-demand service is a service that you're selecting. Rental services, just like what it sounds like, is for rentals. And then anything in peer-to-peer is for marketplace.
So now we want to add our products, but those products go under the modules we selected. So say we have delivery, we have pickup, and marketplace. Then under the section for categories, this is where you would turn on the categories that pertain to you. So seeing as I'm in delivery, I want to have some food and drink for sale. So now if I go to add, and I'll add my drink, you can submit. And inside of here, you can add information and details about your items. So you can add description of your product, pricing, you can track your inventory, you can add variants for different items, you can add your images, and when you're ready for your product to go live, you just select live and go to published, and then that product will be available for sale. If you require delivery for your products, then you would hit requires last mile delivery, and when you select that and also have your radius prepared, then people will be able to see the products that are available for sale on the app and have delivery for that as well. So here I'll select publish and last mile, and just remember to submit that. And now once that's submitted, you have a product prepared. We hit go live, and that sends a notification to BLAC Network that you're ready for your store to go live. Please expect that 24 to 48 hours before going live. It could be a lot sooner. Send that notification to us, and we'll send your business to live when it's ready.